Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Joy Special. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I designed this beautiful wrapper cake. If this is a video you're interested in watching, please keep watching this video. This fondant is reliable and tested. I've already shared my fondant recipe in this channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description box if you've not watched the fondant video, so that you can go back and watch the fondant video. As you can see, I just measured the height and the length of my fondant. Before then, I've already taken the measurement of my cake so that I will know what I'm going to measure out in the fondant while rolling it out. So measurement is very important if you want to get your cake well covered, beautifully made. So guys, right here I have my white vinegar and my plate. I'm going to be cleaning up the excess icing sugar and the excess corn flour on the body of the cake with my vinegar. Remember, if you have a cake steamer, you can use your cake steamer to remove the excess icing sugar and the excess corn flour on the body of the cake. But right here, I'm making use of my vinegar. If you don't want to make use of vinegar, you can make use of vegetable oil. So here we are. I've already printed out the design I'm going to be making use of on this cake. Remember, I shared a video on how I go to Pinterest to get my design and I will send to printer to print for me. I'm going to leave the link of that particular video in the description box, how you're going to print your design, whatever design or whatever material that you want to make use in designing your cake. I'm going to leave the link of that particular video. You can go back and watch that video. I printed this in A4 paper. Then I will take the measurement of the cake and I will also measure the pepper. Make sure you are measuring. If you don't measure it, you will not be able to get the actual size that will cover the cake properly. So make sure you take your measurements before cutting the pepper. So with the help of the vinegar I used in cleaning the body of the cake, the pepper can be able to lap on the cake very well. But if you don't make use of vinegar, you can make use of water, or you can steam the cake before applying the material on the cake so that it will stick and lap very well on the cake. Please don't forget to give those video a huge and a massive thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will always be the first to get notified each time we post our new video, because we have an amazing recipes to share with you guys on this beautiful channel. So here we are, our cake is beautifully made and it is looking so beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.